So I had the operation on the 19th of February. It's now the 2nd of July. It's absolutely fantastic. I've never experienced such a difference. So it's like, from being an engineer, it's like having a whole new wheel station put on with beautiful smooth bearings. I have movement which I've never had before. It is the best operation I can imagine. So my problem now is the other one, but this one is perfect. And I've had my physios who've both looked at the x-rays, they've looked at the movement, and in all their time, in all the operations they've seen in a shoulder, they've never seen any movement like this ever. So, you know, first Levy, thank you, it's fantastic.
And you're back to do your sports?
I'm back to everything really. The only limitation is my other shoulder, but everything else with this side of it is just perfect. And
remind me what you do, what's your job?
So I'm a contract manager for the Army. I run training for the Army.
And you're back to do all your work?
I'm back to everything, you know, any activities. I've just bought an old Land Rover Series 1, which even drive with no power steering. It's just no problem with this arm, just the other one. So it's, you know, it is a completely different, you know, I'm in a new world, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Right, yeah. Press ups, this was the challenge that you gave me, so yeah. I'll just go down and go for it, and no problem. So come.
I mean, you stop whenever, because I think that's convincing already. Yeah, I think it's enough.
Okay, I think I could have gone on. I needed a challenge up, please, but that was superb. Thank you. Yeah, no, it's no problem. You don't want to do it that way, but it's superb. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. Thank you. Oh, fantastic. Maybe the other one. Thank you.